YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to my kitchen. Long time no kitchen. Today we're going to make a bacon cheeseburger. In the burger patty, it's mixed beef and pork. I seasoned it with salt and pepper and I added some ketchup and mustard to the mixture and mixed well, and then I shaped it like a burger. It's the first time that I made a mixed beef and pork together. This is what I bought from the supermarket and I made some meatballs with it. We start from baking potatoes in the oven. And then we'll continue to fry the bacon in striped pan. Okay. Then we'll cut some veggies. And we'll fry the burger that I've already made. After that, I'll assemble everything. And we'll try. Okay, so now I'm with my burger here. I'm going to hold it like this so you can see what I eat when I eat it. Potatoes are not as crispy as I would want them to be, but they're tasty. Maybe a little bit too salty. Now for this baby, my God, this is so wet. Bacon is extremely crispy. It's supposed to be well done actually because it has pork in it. The bun is okay, a little bit too soft and too soggy because I didn't cut it well and I didn't assemble it well. But overall, wow, pretty good. Let's try just the burger. The burger is well seasoned. It's not juicy because I didn't want it to be not made, but it's not dry also. I feel like I nailed it. So yummy. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh my God, I want to eat this so many times in my life. Look, it's so crispy. ASMR. Yummy. Apo, what do I have more on my channel? Videos about burgers, videos about instant noodles, or videos about Rittersport. Answer in the comment below what you think I have more on my channel, and I'll give a shout out for the people who will write in the next video. Oh my God, I had a beer! Okay, I have my beer with me. I know I usually drink in a glass bottle, but this was on sale, so I bought this. Plus, so I'll continue having my meal. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. I know it's a bit different, but I hope you liked it. And I'm happy you joined me for dinner, super late dinner, and for making it and everything. And it actually is my first time that I made hamburger here. And I feel like it was a success. It was hard for me in my kitchen, but I still did the extra effort for you guys. So tell me in the comment below if you want me to make more cooking and eating videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It will mean the world to me. And subscribe to my channel to see more videos about food. And hit the bell button so you can get notifications when I upload videos, which is Wednesday and Saturday. Oh, I wanted to say thank you to all the people who supported my channel on my coffee page and invited me for a coffee. If you want to help me grow this channel and support my content and my videos, I will appreciate it so much if you invite me to a coffee. You can see my coffee page on the description below. And thank you so much for the people who already donated and made this video happen. So thank you all, and I hope I see you on the next video. Eat something tasty every day.